Hi everybody! Welcome back. My name is Christine, this is Mr. Bangles, and that means you're watching Hobby's Corner. I thought we would do a part 2 of the ring reveals. So here we have our fabulous Easter eggs. We're going to go ahead and open a bunch of these and take a look and see what rings are inside. These are rings I have purchased myself, either from thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, or just, over time. There are also rings that have been purchased for me from maybe my parents or my husband. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of these. Hope everyone had a good weekend. It is Monday evening. Thought I would do a quick reveal of some rings. I know some of you were looking forward to seeing some more. So just push those off to the side and let's take a look. The first one I'll show you is this one. This ring was given to me many, many years ago by a very good friend. So pretty. It is 10 karat gold. It has that beautiful blue stone. I love this, the shape of this ring. It's really, really nice. I don't wear gold a lot, but when I do, this is one I tend to go to. So I thought I'd share that with you. What's the first one we have here? This is a sterling silver ring that I did pick up in a jewelry jar. It's got a little cubic zirconia in there. It's pretty. It's a nice ring. Another one we have. This one has two. This was given to me by my friend Evelyn. Cute little green stone on sterling silver. It's got a couple stars on the edge of it, it looks like. It's pretty. And this one I got from Facebook Marketplace. It is the cursive letter A. And it is adjustable. It does have a tiny little diamond in it. I did test it. It's really neat. This is yes, I got this in a jewelry jar. And I think some of you actually told me what this meant. This is a stainless steel ring. I think it's stainless steel, if I recall. Yes. And I think this turns. The centerpiece turns, which is nice. It's a swivel. And it has, I think this is I'm not sure if it's a Hebrew statement. But I remember some people telling me what it meant. But that's a very big ring. That came in a jewelry jar. Oh, that one's empty. Oh, this ring I purchased from Sears department store, probably in 2015 maybe. It's gorgeous. Nice yellow citrine. Really pretty cuts on it. And it is sterling silver. I liked this one. This is one of my favorite go-tos as well. It's really pretty. This ring I got at, if I recall, the Salvation Army. They had it in their display. I'm pretty sure. This is beautiful. This is a plated ring that is size 9. I loved the shape of it and the color of the stones. I think I bought a couple of them that day. Oh, this one I got in a jewelry jar. This is sterling silver. Some of you might remember this one. I love this black stone. Beautiful ring. And then what's in here? Ooh, yes, I bought this one at Value Village. It's actually on the smaller side, and I jam it on my finger because I love it so much. It's like shoes that you really love. I love the cut stones and that oval shape. So definitely would not be wearing this in the summer because it's just too, with the swelling from the heat, I wouldn't probably be able to get it off. What else do we have? This is another aquamarine. Really pretty blue ring, sterling silver. I got this from a Facebook Marketplace bag. Gave it a good clean. Super nice. I love that square cut. This one I got, I think, in one of my first thrift store jars. It's really pretty. I think it's quite old, if I recall the mark on the inside. It was older. Yeah, it says S-T-E-R. So usually if it says stir, like sterling, it's older. It's just a neat design. Really pretty. This is an aluminum ring I found in a jar. Very lightweight. It's fun to wear. I love aluminum rings. Very light, very bright colored. Let's get some more. Okay. Oh, I got this at a thrift store in Simcoe. I think I paid $8 for this. Did I get it at a thrift store in Simcoe? I think I did. And it's sterling silver. And I was like flabbergasted that I got it for $8. But look at this. All the way around. And they're set so beautifully. This is absolutely one of my favorites. I love this Eternity multi-stone band. These two here, my favorites. You could tell I like the bling. I like the blingy rings. This is one of the, when I first did jewelry bag reveals, I had purchased a big lot of rings from a gentleman. And this is one of the rings that I purchased. I love this ring. It's beautiful brass tone with this really gorgeous cameo. This is a really nice ring as well. And it's adjustable. I'm pretty sure this is vintage. I'm not sure if I would part with this one. It's very special. It's like my first jewelry bag reveal. This is a really large stainless steel in cubic zirconia. You can buy these from overseas. It says stainless steel on the inside. This is like a 11. You got to be careful with your sizing when you get stuff from over there. You really need to take a look at the charts and find what's equivalent to your region, because otherwise you'll end up with rings this big. This is a toe ring. This came in a jewelry, I think I got this from Mississauga jewelry bag. The bag that had tons of rings in it. I paid $5 for. Sometimes people just, they've had them for years and they're ready to just part with them. So, this one I also got at the Simcoe thrift store. This is sterling silver. I think I paid $8 for this one as well. I love the hammered look to this. This is a really, really nice ring. I like this one. I like the size of it. And then we have this one here. Got this at Value Village. I think I paid $3 for this, and we later found out. Actually, no, I got this at the Salvation Army. We later found out it was sterling silver. It's just really tarnished. It's a neat old style. Really neat. And here we have some plated rings, some nice orange stones. This actually came with another ring in the middle. I'm not sure why I didn't put it in there. It's a big orange heart. They're plated though. I got those at the Salvation Army thrift store as well. Let's do a couple more and then we will call it a night. Okay. This ring came, I think I got this at Value Village. Beautiful sterling silver with a pink stone. A couple of little stones on the edge there. This is a really pretty ring too. Love the cutout. It's a great ring. I think we've all seen this one. This was from a recent jewelry jar. It's an adjustable costume ring. I love the domed resin. It's in good condition too. This is a fun ring. It's neat when you see them all together because we're used to seeing them one at a time as they're revealed, but I'm enjoying this. Oh, this is getting tarnished. I've had this one for a while. Really cute silver ring. Size 8. Neat abstract. Kind of like a button. And our last few, this again, this Facebook Marketplace, nice band, some tiny little stones in there. I've tested them, they're not diamonds. This is a pretty ring as well. Sterling silver. Oh yes, do you remember this one? This one I got from a lady in Ancaster. She was, I think I purchased this bag $10 just for a few pieces of jewelry, and when I got to her house she gave me all of it. And so I actually transferred her $20. I felt bad, but this is beautiful. This is sterling silver. Really, really nice. Got a little bit of a dent in it, but that's easy to fix. But I love this one too. I was so excited to get that one. And the last one is this cute triple heart sterling silver ring. I found lots of silver. I have found probably one gold ring. Mostly sterling. This is a fun, cute ring, isn't it? Simple if you don't want to go really, really big like this. But yeah, so out of all of these, I think my favorites are these here, along with this one. And I really love this vintage piece. And I would say that's probably it. The rest are really nice too, but these are the ones that I really, really love. There's just something about them. Well, that's it, everybody. I hope you have a really fabulous rest of the week. Hopefully the weather will start to be better. Hope everyone had a great Easter. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.